In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn $4,935 using a free YouTube trick, which is one of the easiest ways to make money from home. So how do you do it? We're about to find out. This is how you can earn money online using a free YouTube trick. Also, only half of the people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with the notifications bell ticked on. It's free and you can always change your mind later. In that way, I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it. Thus, of course, make the most money. Let me ask you one question. Do you watch videos every single day? If you're like me, you probably watch videos on the internet all the time. Did you know that you can actually make money online just by doing exactly that? Just for the videos that you watch on YouTube, you can earn up to $16 per video. With this method, all you need are your laptop or computer and an internet connection. You can even do this with just your smartphone. The best thing about this method is that it's 100% free, so you don't need to make any investments to get started. This method is available worldwide, so no matter what country you're in, you can do this and earn money over and over again. With that being said, comment down below, I am from blank, aka your country. In that way, I'll know exactly where you're from. So in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. And don't forget, I'll be showing you some special bonus tips that will allow you to earn double, or even triple the amount of money compared to other people. So make sure to stick around and keep watching all the way until the end. Now let's get into the video. Let's go on to YouTube right now and search for a plank tutorial. You can see that there are many different results. You can also see that these types of videos have thousands and thousands of views. Now let's use these videos so that we can earn money using today's method. The next thing you need to do is go into your browser and type shrinkme.io, then press enter. This is the homepage of the website. On this website, you can basically shrink URL links, share them and earn money. This is where you would shrink your URL links, share them on the internet, and earn a lot of money. So let's get started. Go on to YouTube. And let's use this video right here as an example. Scroll down below and you will find the share button right here. I want you to click on the share button so you can see a YouTube link that allows you to share the video on the internet. And every time people click on this link right here, they will be routed to this exact video. Once you copy this link, I want you to go back to shrinkme.io and then paste your link right here to make it shorter. This website basically makes a long URL into a shorter one. Once a person clicks on the link, you are going to earn a lot of money. If people from Greenland click on your link, you're going to earn $22. And if people from Ireland click on your link, you're going to earn $16. This is a very good opportunity to earn money online just by sharing a simple link on the internet. Right now I'll show you how to sign up for a free account on this website. You can just go into the upper right corner and click on register. And that will take you to this page where you can register as a new member. You would just need to create a username, enter your email address, create a password, and then re-enter your password for confirmation. Tick the I'm not a robot CAPTCHA, agree to the terms of use and privacy policy, then click register, and now you've created your free account on shrinkme.io. Once you log into your account, this is what your dashboard will look like. In order to withdraw your earnings, just click on withdraw here in the left bar, and then you'll land on this page that says in order to receive your payments you need to fill your payment method and payment ID. So just click here and fill out your information. So your name, address, city, state, zip code, country, and as you can see here, they're available worldwide. Now you can enter your desired payment method, whether it's PayPal, Payeer, AirTM, etc. When you're done, just scroll down and click on submit right here. And once you've reached a balance of $5 you can withdraw your funds. So now I will show you the payout rates by country. You can see that when people from Ireland click on your link, you're going to earn $16. And when people from, let's say the United States, click on your link, you are going to earn $7. That's a $9 difference and it's really big. Stay tuned and watch the video until the end because I'm going to show you how to overcome this limitation. You can see here that there are a lot of viral videos for doing planking. For example, this video right here, let's scroll down below and click on the share button right here. And then this window will pop up, click on this copy button. Now let's go back to shrinkme.io, and go into the left bar, and click on new shorten link. Then paste the link in this box right here, and now just click shorten. This website will automatically shorten the link that you pasted. Now, I want you to repeat this method 5 times. I want you to find 5 videos and copy the link to those videos and shorten them on this website. The next thing that you are going to do is go to this website called forum.bodybuilding.com. This is a very famous website because a lot of people come on here to learn how to lose weight and be healthy. When you scroll down below, you can see a lot of posts about exercises and how to stay healthy. A lot of people are putting up some posts on this website. You can see here the views of each post. And a lot of people are viewing these posts right here. For example, many of these have over 1 million views on this website. The first thing that I want you to do when you go onto this website is to click on this button right here. You can see here that you can actually select different countries. Now Greenland doesn't have too many forums available, so the next best thing would be Ireland, because when people from Ireland click on your link, you're going to earn $16. And that is amazing. For example, this post right here, you can click on that so that you know what the hot topics are right now and to know more about this post. This is a very good method to get traffic and to get a lot of people around the world to click on your link. Right now I want to share a planking post template with you so that you can get an idea on what to post on these forums. First, I'll share tips and information about planking. You can search on Google for that, and when you scroll down below, you can see here that I put up the links that lead to planking tutorial videos. I recommend that you put up 5 or more videos so that you can earn more money when people click on your links. That's how you're going to earn money with this method. So there we go. And now, check out this video to discover how you can get paid $600 per day to watch YouTube videos. Anyone can do this, and I'll show you how to do it in this video right here. Check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with notifications on, so you don't miss out on any of the new content. As always, I'll see you in the next video.